इन्डिया हो अनि यहाँ चाहिँ उयो नेपाल हो अनि हामी चाहिँ यहाँ बोर्डरमा छौँ.
Hello everyone, good morning. We father and son right now, border of India and Nepal. That side is India and this side is Nepal. This is Nepal and that side is India. We are middle of the India and no between of the India and Nepal. So the climate is very nice and beautiful. This is morning. The sunrise is
I go India, okay?
just now. Yes, okay, no problem. And right now we are enjoy with nice climate, little bit raining in the morning and the windy is naturally, so this place is very nice and beautiful. I would like to say everyone, please just you will see this video, you can enjoy and you can get fresh mind in this time. Thank you very much guys. I don't want to speak too much. I don't want to speak lot. Who wanna be speak too much? I don't like this type of people. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.